Hey, welcome back. It is day 2 and today I will be doing some sanding. But I just wanted to show you this very bad paint job that was here when I first moved in. They painted over the light switch all around the sides, and it's, as you can see, it's very tacky, and I'm going to have to fix that. But first let's move over onto the wall. So as you can see, I've cleared the wall up a bit. I'm going to tackle the wooden wall first, and I've also cleaned up a bit of the mess there. Last time it was quite messy. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this tool, very good tool that I bought. Does a really good job actually, just removing all these rough edges. And this is my first time using this tool, and it's my first time doing this, so as you can see, it's not the best of walls, but it's actually not that bad. I had a good time doing it. There's a few little bits and pieces here, but not that much. So I'm now starting off with the sanding, and that line in the middle, that's pretty, it's not deep, but it's a little bit on the deep side. But I mean, as you can see here, I've got other little things to sort out like that there, but I'm sure I will be able to cover it. Now this is my first time sanding, so as you can tell, and look what I found underneath this bit of wooden panel, which actually looks quite nice. So whoever did this did a really bad touch-up job or whatever they did, and put this stupid paneling on this, over this nice bit of wood. Oh well, let's see how we go then.